Is there a home remedy for dog ear infection? Yes. Not one, but a lot of natural remedies are available for your dog ear infections. We will take you through some of the most common and time-tested natural remedies to treat dog ear infections effectively. These natural tips and remedies are surely a godsend for people who are confused about what to use for dog ear infection.
Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Known Pets channel to join the adventure that brings you closer to the most beloved creatures known to man. Get ready, things are about to get exciting.
A. Make a mixture of garlic oil and mullein oil. Apply around 6 drops of this mixture on the infected ear of your dog. You need to continue this for 10 days. After 10 days, you will notice that the swelling due to ear infection has reduced considerably. You'll also notice visible improvement in the foul smell, discharge, and pain due to ear infections. B. Warm compresses can be very relaxing for your dog, especially when he suffers from a painful ear infection. Regular warm compresses can help control the inflammation in the animal's ear. C. If your dog suffers from frequent ear infections, it is high time you improve its immunity. Giving your dog regular doses of vitamin C not only develops the overall immunity system of your pet, but also helps in the healthy secretion from its adrenaline glands, which play a vital role in controlling infections and inflammations. D. Most of the time, when there is a lot of hair growth around your dog's ears, it can impact the airflow inside the ear, thereby keeping the ears dry and prone to infections. One of the best ways to control this infection is to trim the hair around your dog's ear regularly. This will allow free air movement inside the ears and keep infections at bay. E. You can make a simple spray of water and apple cider vinegar at home and pour the mixture in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture in the dog's ear at regular intervals. The anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties of this mixture provide quick relief for ear infections in dogs. F. Make a mixture containing equal parts of mineral oil and Paw d'Arco. Pour this mixture in the dog's infected area at least thrice a day for 10 days or so. Since Paw d'Arco is a herbal antibiotic, you can get rid of dogs' ear infections naturally. G. Mix a drop of oregano oil to aloe vera juice. Soak a cotton ball in this mixture and gently swab your dog's ear with it. The natural antibiotic properties of oregano oil help to control ear infections in dogs. H. Heat a mixture of about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and a couple of garlic cloves. Allow the mixture to cool off a little and pour 2 to 3 drops of this mixture in your dog's ear thrice a day for a week. This will provide immense relief for your pet. We hope by now you would have got an idea of what to use for dog ear infection. However, you should know when to seek medical intervention, because at one point of time, natural remedies and over-the-counter medicines may not work anymore. Is your dog suffering from frequent ear infections? As we already told you in the previous section, giving regular doses of vitamin C to boost the immunity of your pet. However, that alone may not solve the problem. There could be other inherent problems in your dog, which you may not notice. Some of these problems are the following. Irregular bowel movements. One of the main reasons for chronic ear infections in dogs is a poor gut. An unhealthy gut and irregular bowel movements can make your dog prone to chronic ear infections. Therefore, it is very important for you first to check the gut health of your pet and get it corrected before you proceed to control ear infections in it. The ways in which you can ensure that you take care of your pet's gut health and control allergic reactions in them are diet management. Avoid feeding a lot of processed and grain-based foods to your pets. Also, avoid feeding a lot of preservatives and additives-rich foods, dairy products, and sugary foods to your pets, as it can cause a lot of infections and allergic reactions in them. Healthy lifestyle. Dogs are very active creatures. Therefore, when you keep them tied to one place for long hours, they get bored and stressed. Stress can impact the gut health of your dogs and also cause allergic reactions in them. Therefore, helping them lead an active lifestyle can make them less prone to ear infections as well. Medicine management. Too many drugs, chemicals, and vaccines not only impact the gut health of your dogs, but can also make them prone to skin rashes and infections. This is why it becomes very imperative to resort to herbal solutions and natural remedies to treat your dogs, as this way, you can be assured of zero side effects. Regardless of whether you are a new or experienced dog owner, we are sure that by now, you would have got an idea of what to use for dog ear infection. The key is to find out the symptoms of the infections at an early stage so that it becomes easy to treat them naturally without having the necessity to take your dog to the vet. Also, before you proceed to treat the ear infections, we request you to understand the nature of the infections so that you can choose the right kind of treatment.
Bringing you more value per minute than any other pets channel out there, or at least trying to. We would appreciate if you at least like or share this video. That would mean the world to us.